honey, what's shaking?
I'm flossing my teeth and writing a song at the same time.
Ludwig, baby, what do you mean?
Oh, here, listen.
Uh-huh. You know, that reminds me of the time we were in France recording our most recent hit.
A bit? Oh, really?
Over and 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 over again.
Well, you gotta love that.
That's a good rockin' tune, Colonel Clef.
Yeah, man, very good, man.
But you know, we were thinking it could use some strings.
Well, great balls of string. Ain't no shortage of that here. See?
No, honey, we were talking about a sweet string instrument, like the violin.
Oh, of course, a string instrument. Well, now that's what I call a family of instruments. Oh, you kids are good.
The string family includes instruments like the violin, viola, cello, and bass. And of course, Ludwig's favorite, the guitar. These instruments use strings to make their sounds. Now listen, different strings vibrate at different rates. The string of a cello is thick and heavy. It makes a lower sound. Guitars, on the other hand, are thinner and lighter, and they produce a higher sound. Sweet! Ludwig, sugar, how's that sweet song coming?
Great. Not only is it a sure #1, but I guarantee when I accept my award for Best Guitar Solo, I'll have the best-looking smile in town.
Music power!
Believe in the beat.